OTET 2026 postponed affair candidates flag exam date clash. RSSB declares Agriculture Supervisor Result 2026 for 1,100 vacancies. Gujarat launches mobile classroom for children of salt workers. CUET UG 2026 results announced. 22 students secure perfect percentile in 3 subjects. ICAI set to announce CA Intermediate May 2026 results today. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we bring you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. I am Ankita Debra reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Board of Secondary Education Orissa has postponed the Orissa Teachers Eligibility Test 2026 following concerns raised by candidates over scheduling conflict with another major examination. Aspirants highlighted that the original OTET date clashed with the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, creating difficulty for candidates appearing for both exams. After reviewing the representation, BSc Odisha revised the scheduled and rescheduled OTET 2026 to June 28. The board also announced that fresh admit cards would be issued for the revised examination date. Candidates have been advised to regularly check the official website for updates regarding the hall ticket, exam timings, and other important instructions. The decision has been welcomed by aspirants who sought a fair opportunity to appear for both examinations. The Rajasthan Staff Selection Board has officially announced the Agriculture Supervisor Result 2026 on its website. Candidates who appeared for the written examination held on April 18th can now check their qualifying status online. The requirement drive aims to fill 1,100 agriculture supervisor posts across Rajasthan. Applicants can access the result by visiting the official RSSB portal and downloading the merit list PDF. Candidates whose roll number have appeared in the list will proceed to the next stage of the selection process, which includes document verification. The board has advised shortlisted candidates to keep all necessary documents ready and regularly monitor the official website for further updates regarding the verification, schedules, and requirement procedures. The Gujarat government has introduced an innovation School on Wheels initiative by converting 28 retired state transport buses into solar-powered mobile classrooms for children living in remote salt production regions. Designed to support children of salt worker families, the project aims to ensure uninterrupted education despite seasonal migration. Each bus is equipped with smart television, digital learning tools, a library, study table, drinking water facilities, and recreational equipments. The mobile classrooms can accommodate over 20 students and operate on solar power, making them suitable for desert conditions. Implemented jointly by the Education Department, Samagra Shiksha, and the GSRTC, the initiative seeks to reduce school dropout rates and bring quality education directly to the underserved communities across Gujarat's salt pan regions. The National Testing Agency has declared CUET UG 2026 results, making a significant milestone for undergraduate admissions across the country. More than 11.64 lakh candidates appeared for the examination, which was conducted across India and abroad. According to the results, one candidate has achieved 100 percentile in 4 subjects, while 22 candidates secure a perfect 100 percentile in 3 subjects. Additionally, 180 candidates scored 100 percentile in 2 subjects and over 3,200 candidates attained top percentile in 1 subject. The examination witnessed a rise in registrations compared to the previous year, reflecting its growing importance in university admissions. Candidates can now access their score through the official CUET portal and begin the admission process. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is scheduled to declare the CA Intermediate May 2026 examination results today on its official website. Candidates who appeared for the examination will be able to access their scores by logging in with their registration number and roll number. Along with individual results, ICAI is expected to release the merit list and pass percentage details. The CA Intermediate examination is a crucial stage in the chartered accountant journey, determining eligibility for the next level of professional training and studies. Candidates are advised to keep their login credentials ready and regularly check the official portal for updates. Once released, scorecards can be downloaded and preserved for future admissions, training, and verification purpose.